In this video, you will learn how to convert PDF file to Markdown for free. First, go to Google and search for PDF to Markdown. From the search results, choose the ilovepdf.com website, which is usually one of the first results. Open the PDF to Markdown tool, and you'll see an option to upload your PDF file. Now, click the option to select your PDF. Find the file on your computer and upload it. Once your file is uploaded, ilovepdf will process the document and convert the content into Markdown format. Wait a few moments while the website processes your file. When the conversion is finished, click the Download option to save the new Markdown file to your computer. The file will normally have a .md extension. Now you have your PDF content in a lightweight Markdown file that you can open and edit with a text editor. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe.